Hello, in front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use this method of the factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OnWear application. Also, before you reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so once the devices are paired and the battery levels at least above 30%, we can continue and open the OnWear application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the device icon right here on the home page, then scroll down, tap on factory reset, and then tap on confirm. The watch will reset itself, and after a couple of seconds you will see the list of languages. This means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.